Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Today we're talking about Lyft launching new bonuses for drivers, and they are competing with Uber right now to get the new drivers signing up. They're both launching huge bonuses, and as you guys know, so many drivers are refusing to drive. They're quitting left and right, and so they're trying to do everything they can. So I'm gonna go over the new Lyft bonuses, and I just want to say, give a thumbs up if you think drivers deserve more pay, and want to say, to sign up for Current, there's a new app down below that's helping Uber and Lyft drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. If you ever need quicker payday, there's no fees on overdraft when you go negative 200 bucks, if that ever happens. I've been there. The app is called Current. I use it. You get cash back every single time you fill up gasoline, which is great as well. They pay 4% APY, 4% interest, so I put in 100 bucks, I'm already earning interest, and your account can grow. They have a whole ton of perks, free ATM machines, so check out Current. It's free, no credit checks, and you can get sign up right now in 2 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So this comes out of our Facebook group, and as you can see here, we have so many posts. If you're not in this group, you're missing out on potentially huge earnings. We also talk about how much money you can make with Play Octopus, the tablet. We have that link below as well. So many drivers are earning tons of money, referring drivers to $35 bonus every single time. Anyways, check the link below. But yeah, listen to this. Great start to this greatest of holidays and the greatest of countries. Super busy out there last night with back-to-back Lux rides all night long. Most of them with bonuses at $62 an hour. Holy smokes, I haven't seen this good pay since 2014. $20 cash tips and another $13 tips this morning. Should only get busier today and Monday. Have a great 4th, everyone, and God bless America. America. And the home of the brave. Okay, so let's get into the ride breakdowns, my friends. So I'm a little goofy today. Hope you don't care. I know half of you guys hate me. It's okay. You're here for the video, or for the bonuses. So listen to this. 6 hours, 356 bucks. That's over $50 a motherfucking hour. Bro, you can't be a brain surgeon to make that much money. Lyft drivers make more than brain surgeons right now. That's crazy. You can buy a Lamborghini or a Tesla Model 3. Get it paid off. I know so many drivers that are driving Tesla Model 3s right now, taking advantage of these insane programs of using Teslas and driving for rideshare, getting their Teslas completely paid off, and now they have a free Tesla, no car payment, and they're making pure profit because they're charging their cars. And a lot of places, guys, provide free charging. So look for an apartment that provides free electric charging. There are plenty of big apartments that do that. Crazy opportunities right now to make some insane money, and you do that and you pair it with Play Octopus, you're profiting huge money. I'm talking life-changing money. Uber and Lyft changed my life. I have everything to think about them. That's why I do talk bad about them sometimes, but I think as a company anyways, look at this. So Lux, he's obviously driving Lux, so making a lot of money. Maybe he's driving a Model X, a Tesla Model X, or a Mercedes probably. $8.26, ride bonus is $6.75, 18 bucks here. Tips, $4 I mean, he's getting ride bonuses, $4, $5, $6 on every single ride, which is absolutely incredible. So just want to make this quick video. Thumbs it up. Thanks for watching, guys. And again, check out Current using the link below. This is Current, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, get paid up to 2 days faster. Click this here, free overdraft with 200 bucks, and you again get paid tons of money when you fill up gas. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.